Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the Bird of Paradise napkin fold. So we're going to start by bringing this bottom edge up to the top edge. Next we'll bring the left edge over to the right edge. Next we'll bring the bottom left corner up to the top right corner. Now, if you did that right, you should have 5 layers up here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we're going to take this edge and fold it down so it lies along this center vertical line. Then do the same thing with the left side. Next, with these 2 flaps on the bottom, we're going to fold them underneath, right along the edge that we have underneath there. And now you'll fold that whole thing in half as you pick it up. Next, we're going to take these layers one at a time and pull them up. You need to make sure you hold tightly on the right side as you do that. Pull them up one at a time. And then once you have them up, you can shift them around so it looks nice. Be about like that, so they're all separate and you can see each layer. Then you can just set that right down. And we are all done. Now, I do have a playlist full of napkin folding tutorials that you can check out. I'll link to that right here and in the description. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.